So we're here at Parrot, here at LoWeb 2012. So who are you? Who are you?
I'm Pierre. Yeah. I'm from Sylpheo. We are a startup based in France, and we...
Sylpheo.
Sylpheo, yes,
So what
right.
does it do?
Yes, well, basically we are a Salesforce.com partner. We do Salesforce integration, but also Salesforce apps for mobile devices, iOS, Android, and there is a very new Android device. This is Parrot Asteroid car radios.
Is this touch or is it only here?
No, it's only here. Yeah. Because from your car, it's easier.
It's better not to touch stuff.
Yes,
get
it's
confused and
better.
make accidents.
But some very new devices will come next year, which will be definitely touch too.
Right. How many cars have this in the world? Many.
Oh yeah, many, and more.
Millions?
And more.
What? Many. Millions or 100,000s or?
I think there will be millions.
There will be millions.
But I'm not from Parrot, so I can't.
But this is Parrot. This is the original one, and this is a new one, or?
Yes, this is the classic one, which can be integrated in the car. Okay. Yeah. And here is a very new one that you can just put on your dashboard, as it is. Yes, just there.
All right. So it does all the same stuff, no touch.
Yes, it's exactly the same system. So it's no touch. You turn, and you can also have some control just here on the wheel, and that's really good. And what's really interesting is that Parrot sees this device as a platform. So it's open for developers to create apps, and we've created an app, so connected to internet. We've created the first app named Broadhub, connected to your business.
Okay.
So we make, basically, with Parrot and with Salesforce, we make your car connected to your business. I mean, our app is directly connected to your Salesforce.
Can you show this app? Can you show it?
Yes. There is this.
So this is based on Android. That's the app. And
that's the app. When you change the name, you can listen to, and you can know who it is without having to see the screen. And you know that you're late. You should have called him yesterday. Yeah. And as a salesperson, you have time while driving, and you're connected directly to your Salesforce.com CRM, Sales Cloud, and you get contact information. You can call them. Once you call them, it's logged into your CRM, and after each call, you can just select and choose if you want to call him later or not. And if you want to call him later, it will log a new task into your CRM, and it's just a first step connecting your business to your CRM, and it's amazing, and it's really efficient.
Because so far people have been driving around being completely disorganized in the car.
Yes, disorganized or trying to do this.
And millions of people do accidents because of that, and this is safer.
This is much safer.
You could say.
Yes.
All right. And here's the Android market. So everything is based on Android, but it's a different marketplace.
Yes, it's a different marketplace because it's a very different use case.
Yeah. But the apps are all compatible, or only some? They have to pass through tests to be specifically compatible with this, or all the apps in theory could be added on Android?
Any app can change a couple of things, so that it can be okay with these devices.
Because what you want is to use this a lot and this. You don't want touch, you want to use this stuff here.
Yes, but it's really important to rethink, to reinvent the app for this. Okay. Not because of the device, but because of the car. And it's really specific for the car. And I found it as new to develop such an app as it was 3 or 4 years ago when I started developing mobile apps. I mean, it was really new, and this you have to think about the use case and how is that salesperson using managing his data and his CRM. And,
so that's why it's relevant to be with Salesforce, is getting the business in the car.
Yes, that's
and
it.
Parrot doing hardware, you do software,
Right.
and they do enterprise.
Yes,
Everything works.
Yeah.